If you are looking for Namecheap promo codes, coupon code, then you are at the right place. Because for anyone who's looking for amazing Namecheap coupon code, what you have to do is to simply click on a special discount link in the description of this video. Once you click on the special discount link in the description of this video, you will be landed over here, and a special discount is already applied to your pages. For instance, you may see over here that you're already getting discounts on your special domain. You're getting free domain with all of the plans and a 68% exclusive discount. So for hosting, you can simply select the shop plan and move on to your hosting. With email, you are getting free trial. For business starter kit, you are getting it for free, and free add-ons are also included. So it's an amazing offer, and no doubt Namecheap is one of the industry's finest hosting with 4.7 out of 5 rating by 2 million plus people, and they are one of the pioneer, one of the old company. So if you move on to the shared hosting, you may see over here that a special discount is already loaded with 59%, 57% and 50% off on multiple deals. And in case if you want a WordPress specific deal, you can even move to manage WordPress hosting, even though you can host on shared hosting as well. But if you want a specific WordPress hosting, a special discount is loaded for you. So you may see that you're also getting first month free as well. These are the amazing deals for anyone who want to get amazing Namecheap discounts. Guys, make sure to click on the link in the description, otherwise this discount will not work. And I highly recommend you to grab the shared hosting, because you can use WordPress in the shared hosting as well, and this is much cheaper than WordPress hosting. So I hope you like this. So a special discount link for my audience is added in the description of this video. So good luck with your hosting, domain, and all of the deeds with Namecheap.